Super effective dark knuckles, dark knee, dark feet, dark elbow cream. So look at my screen. The face cream we're gonna be using in pro mixing this effective cream is our kwata cream. Look at it very well. So if your dark knuckles are like what you're seeing on the screen, if you have dark feet, dark hands, it works for it as well. So get your one kwata. I have pressed it in my bowl. Now get your Benist Fashion Fair cream. Two. So one kwata, two Fashion Fair. Then get one Koji Clear cream, and it should be lemon. Remember, we have used one kwata, two Fashion Fair, and one Koji Clear. Press into your mixing bowl. So we're gonna be mixing just three of these, and it works so well. If you have dark feet, apply on it. Dark hands, dark knuckles, dark knee. Be consistent and you will see result because it actually works. Now on this channel we do skincare product reviews, skincare product formulation, both organic and pro mixing. If you're interested in such content, do wait to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you will be notified each time we upload a video. I'm actually making this cream for my client because it works. We also do skincare training online. So do wait to chat us on WhatsApp, and training with us is quite advantageous for you because we mentor you for free. What matters with training is who we mentor you, not who we train you and just give you notes or videos and abandon you. Because trust me, in this skincare industry is a continuous learning. You can see I've packaged my cream because I'm sending it out already. So it's a continuous learning. So you need someone who will be there constantly giving you update and answering your question whenever you encounter challenges. So mentorship is free. We even help you, teach you how to package, teach you how to sell. In fact, we have a WhatsApp group where all my students are there. Ask questions at any time in that group, you will be helped. And trust me, you must grow if you train with us. We give you the right knowledge and you cannot fail. So chat us on WhatsApp through the WhatsApp number you are seeing on your screen for your training, and you will never regret training with us. When you make your dark knuckles cream, sell it or use it, and make sure you come back here and give us the review. Make sure you are buying the original of the products we have put together. You can double your own if you want in large quantity. I didn't use percentage because they are not organic products. That already they are over-the-counter product. Is pro mixing and they're all okay. If you want to start a supplement business like the one you are seeing on your screen, we are distributor to this brand you are seeing on your screen. So we give wholesale at amazing prices. Do wait to chat us on WhatsApp if you need any of this supplement, which is advisable to add to your skincare business if you are selling cosmetics, because supplement and cosmetics, they give you that skin you have always wanted. Now don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. In case you want me to formulate any video for you, just put it in the comment section and make sure you subscribe. Support us please. Bye and see you in our next video.